Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to act now. Windows 10 Home cannot host Microsoft Remote Desktop natively, so choose a supported host solution. Install and configure an RDP-compatible server or a VNC alternative. I recommend picking well-known software and downloading the correct 64-bit installer. Once done, create or verify an administrator account for remote access, assign a static local IP, and open the required firewall ports. Make sure you document credentials and the local IP before moving on to detailed configuration. Now you configure the host and networking so your connection is reliable and secure. Start by setting the host software to run as a service and enforce a strong account password. This prevents lockout and unauthorized access. Next, forward the host port 3389 for RDP on your router, or even better, avoid opening ports by using a VPN or reverse tunnel to eliminate exposure. Once done, enable encryption in the host settings, bind the service to your static IP, and test the link from another local device to confirm connectivity. Finally, connect and lock down the session. Open your RDP client, enter the VPN or public IP and the administrator credentials, and enable network-level authentication for better security. Make sure both client and host are fully updated, and when available, enable two-factor authentication. This reduces the risk of credential theft. If something goes wrong, first verify the host service is running, then check firewall rules and port forwarding on the router, and review host logs for errors. These steps quickly pinpoint most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.